Hello. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draw eyes, human eyes. I'm going to show you how to draw female and male eyes. So in my opinion, drawing eyes is one of the funnest things that you can draw. And so that's why I chose them as a subject to teach you to draw. So now I am going to teach you. So first I'm going to start with drawing female eyes. So I'm just going to pick a particular shape. If you want, I can make another video in the future where I draw a specific shape of eye. If you have a specific shape you want to see, I can draw that for you. But for now, I'm just going to start with just a random eye shape. So for this, I'm going to do this shape. So I'm going to start with the left eye first, and so to do that, I'm going to start around here in the paper, drawing in the top half. So you just want to kind of sketch out a curve like this, and curve upward like this. These will be rather big because they are cartoon eyes. And so here we have the outline. I am going to make these eyes to where they are looking, just looking forward. So I'm gonna keep going down, and then a little bit below this corner is where I'm gonna stop here, and then make another curve to the left. And finish that line. And then I'm going to draw the iris and pupil in the corner. So basically, I just draw an arc like this. And I would probably make it curve out more, just so that it doesn't look too cross-eyed. I will erase the last line I made. And so now I'm going to draw the highlight. I usually do triangular highlights, but there's a wide variety of highlights you could do. You could do square, circle, triangle. I mean, technically any shape, but those are the common ones. But for example, I'm just going to start with a triangular highlight, which would be, usually it would be up in either the top left or top right corner. I'm drawing mine in the top left, so here is a triangular highlight, and now need to draw an arc inside of the outer arc for the pupil. Again, since this is a cartoon, it's going to be very big. So now we have that, and me, 95% of the time I draw dark eyes because I prefer dark eyes. I think they're prettier. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fill in the pupil. This will take a bit. And technically they don't say to sketch perpendicular, but I'm doing that just to save time, because I can't really make the video go faster here. There. Alright, now for the eye, I'm going to make it dark, so I'm going to shade this in almost as dark as the pupil. And then from about this line that I just made upward, I'm going to make it as dark as the pupil. Like that. And then like that. What I did here is I made the lower half lighter as part of the lighting to make this eye look more three-dimensional. Alright, so since I said that this is a female eye, it needs to look female, doesn't it? It needs to look feminine. It doesn't look quite feminine because, well, it doesn't have eyelashes. So what we're going to do is we are going to start on this corner here. We're going to draw beautiful, lovely eyelashes. And in all honesty, eyelashes, the shape you make them, is all personal preference. I am drawing them according to my preference. I like to draw them like this. You want to make this line true to the outer shape of the eye. And then you want to color it in, like this. And if you want to make it look like the eyelashes shine, you want to color them in like this to where you leave a white line here, a space, to give it a sort of shining illusion. And then you would just finish coloring that in. You also might do this, you might leave a space here. I'm not sure I want to do that, so I'm going to just color that in. And sometimes people will only do the top lashes, sometimes people will add bottom, so me personally, I tend to only do the top side because in my opinion it looks better that way. But sometimes I will also even add one small portion of eyelash here in this corner, just so it doesn't look, I guess, lacking. And color this in here. Okay, so that is a female eye. The good news is that a male eye is easier because you don't need as much eyelash, obviously, because then it would look feminine. So for the male eye, I think I'll do a different shape with this one. But again, I will start over here somewhere. Now we'll go up like that. Then I will draw a line that is straight for this portion and then curves down. I will actually continue this line this way. And then for the iris, I will just make the arc like this. And finish it off like that. For the male highlight, I will just demonstrate a circular highlight. So I'm just gonna draw a circle here. I messed it up, sorry. Circle. And then the pupil. Again, I'm sorry this is boring to watch, but I have to fill it in and I'm too lazy to make the video go faster here. So, alright, the pupil is colored in. And so, for this, I think I will demonstrate a lighter eye. So, for this, it's the same as a dark eye, except it's lighter. So for the bottom half, we want to make it very light. Let's say this is a green eye. I'm not gonna say blue because I don't like blue eyes. But that's just my preference. I don't mind if you have blue eyes. I just don't prefer blue eyes when I draw them. So the whole area is shaded lightly, and then for the top half, make it slightly darker. So now we have a light eye. So for the male eye, we don't want a lot of eyelash, but we do want some. Just as a reminder that there are eyelashes, because everybody has eyelashes unless you pluck them all out, which some people may or may not have that habit. Yeah, I would know. But anyway, so when you're drawing the eyelashes, you just basically you want to make sort of thick line on the top like that, and then on the side I want to extend out just a bit. Draw a line here. And that is a male eye. And these are two examples of how to draw eyes. Again, the top is a female eye and the bottom is a male eye. I I thank you for watching this video.